I'm Sean Carlson, and I'm the president of Cane Island Trail Enhancement and Recreation Society, and I'm here to tell you about our brand new event called the TrailBlazer. It's going to follow one of our recently restored trails called the Rushbrook Trail right along the ocean in Prince Rupert across 3 beautiful bridges, and then go through the heart of the city along the McClymont Park Trail and right next to Hayes Creek. It's one of those scenic, tranquil places that you may never even know exists in our community. The TrailBlazer is so important for Cane Trails because it's a way that we can partner with other community organizations, other corporate sponsors in this town to be able to showcase what outdoor recreation is to the community and why it's so important that we build up these trails and these trail networks so that we have a world-class system for people of Prince Rupert and for people visiting.
My name is Cody Smith. I'm with Quick Load Logistics here in Prince Rupert, BC. Sponsoring this event is our way of helping build Prince Rupert and our community, which Quick Load has been dedicated to since day one. Quick Load is a Prince Rupert born and raised company. Back in 2008, Prince Rupert was seeing a lot of change, and Quick Load was determined to help be a part of Prince Rupert's journey towards prosperity and success. We felt everyone was best served by providing the region with a family event that the community could enjoy while raising awareness and help fund trail restoration. We are proud to support Cane Trails because they believe in a healthy community. A major component of a healthy community is access to the outdoors. We are from this community, we all spend time together here, and we appreciate that events like this help create a more active community which enhances our quality of life and promotes a more healthy lifestyle for everyone.
I think trails are really important for Prince Rupert because one of the best things about living in Prince Rupert is all of the natural beauty we have kind of right on our doorstep. A lot of the trails that we have in town are kind of trails in name only and are really more dried up creek beds and things like that. So for new visitors to Prince Rupert, new arrivals in Prince Rupert, people of all abilities, I think it's really important that we develop a trail network that can get everyone into our backcountry.
Trails are important because it's an awesome way to get outside and get exercise, breathe some of this amazing fresh air that we have up here, and just spend time with friends and family.
Love trails. I was getting a lot of use out of this trail and others in Prince Rupert and enjoying them so much with my family. And I thought I'd get involved and help the guys expand this network and improve these trails.
Because I want to get healthy and enjoy Mother Nature, and this trail has a lot of memories for me.
Trails are important to our community because we live in this beautiful North Coast setting, right in the rainforest, the Great Bear Rainforest, and trails provide that access into that wilderness in a safe way and an accessible way for everyone in the community.
Why is the TrailBlazer so important to us? Well, one, it's our ability to engage with our corporate sponsors and other community groups to help build awareness and raise funds for trails. The other reason is it's going to build this world-class trail network that will leave people, and ourselves included, with this awesome experience in Prince Rupert and why we've moved here or stayed here and want to live here.